the role of an agent in any capacity, and that's essentially what a sourcer is as an agent, uh, comes along with the requirement to actually build trust among the people that you're brokering, which is obviously the nature of an agent. Um, I think naturally there's always suspicion cast on estate agents, recruitment agents, travel agents, whatever agents it may be, initially, that they are presenting information which is not always factually correct. And the way to actually build relationships is obviously to add value, but also to provide information that can be backed up in real terms. So the role of comparables for a sourcer is really a crucial one. One, first and foremost, to establish that the deal that they're going to present to an investor is genuinely a good deal, has genuine value in it, and the actual property is verified and evidenced by the comparables that you provide. In addition to that, for a sourcer, it gives the opportunity to actually identify by doing comparable searches what the true value of the property is as opposed to the asking price, and can give you leverage when agreeing what the sale value would be with the vendor. And then finally, it just really builds trust with the investor and adds value. If you're able to present a deal and that is underpinned by 3 strong comparables, which actually prove that the value of the property that you are presenting to them is a true value, that helps build trust. It gives you credibility as a sourcer, and it really just completes the whole package in being able to present that properly with evidence. So it's actually more likely to be a deal that you will be able to trade and make money on. So the role of comparables for a sourcing agent is absolutely crucial, and for anybody interested in the quality approach, it's really essential in respect of sourcing properties and building strong relationships based on trust with your investors.